Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, panel of judges, audiences. My name is Crema Diputa, ang baklang mahilig sumubsob sa nota, 15 anyos, basta pero, ala ng pero, tuwat!
Asian Filipinos embodies the spirit of humanity, modesty, innocence, and resilience. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a representation of a proud citizen. My name is Marina Isabel Lopez Tantan Toco, 18. I'm representing from the 7,007 islands, Philippines.
Noches, hermoso amigos and amigas of Fahrenheit, or should I say, good evening, beautiful people of Fahrenheit, especially to our board of judges, good evening. Standing in front of you is a half-man. When you combine a strong, gorgeous, sexy, inclusive, class, pretty, and strong, homosexual. Do you want to know the reason why I'm here tonight? I want to break the chain of gender oppression, misery, tyranny, abuse, and proudly proclaim my sexuality. The purpose of life is not to win, but the purpose of life is to grow and share. Come to look back on all that you have done in life, you will get more satisfaction from the pleasure you have brought to other people's lives than the times you outdid and defeated them. Once again, my name is Cecilia Rivera, from the beauty factory of the world, Puerto Rico. Oops, one more thing I need to say. There are lots of negative people in the world. Don't add yourself to the list. Thank you.
Living Fahrenheit men and women, standing in front of you is 19-year-old Stander who's been had at Moscow, Russia. Studying at University of Russian Federation, taking a Bachelor of Science in Terrorism, majoring in bombing, minoring, kidnapping. And tonight, please allow me to introduce my name, SP Carolina Kunikova, Contreras number 7, and I'm proud to represent my country. Başlayalım, show is Russia!
St. Louis Park is 19 years old gay, joining this Miss Gay Year 2007. It was all started at the very happy moment of Mr. and Mrs. Balagtas, when they heard a persuha at Makati Medical Center. At the early age, he was already shown by the sign of being as a gay. But my parents did not mind for my personality, because as for them, God's answered prayers to have a child. Affectionately, I joined this contest not for the cash prize, nor for the prestige. By the way, my real name is Eliazar Protasio Evarolo Jr. But for tonight, since it is a prestigious beauty pageant, allow me to titleize myself. My name is Ibak, 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 Lubak, Lubak. Before I leave, sadyang kay hirap magpakababae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Sadyang kay hirap magpakalalaki kung hindi ka tunay na lalaki. Nandito na po ang Diyosa ng kagandahan at ang Diyosa ng kapangitan ay nasa likod ko lamang. Bago po ako alis, meron po akong quotation na iiwan sa inyo. Kung ang mga lalaki ay siyang katawan ng saging, at ang mga babae ay siyang puso ng saging, kami na mga mabakla ang siyang matsing na kumakain sa lahat ng saging. I'm proud to represent my country. Don't slow me, slow you. It's Slovak Republic!
and gentlemen, welcome to my country. How much more pagkasama ko pa sila? Makulay ang buhay pag maitim ang kulay sa kalawang kulay. Standing in front of you is the most alluring, captivating, endangered species of plants. My name is Mahomba Pokemba, 20 years of age. I'm proud to represent my country, Miss Tanzania! Before I leave the stage, I want you to know, if others can, I really don't care.
Manalo po man ako o matalo ngayong gabi sa anak na ito, ay malugod ko pong tatanggapin pagkat ang iyong kawan at ang iyong mga palakpakan ay siyang magsisilbing tropeyo na ipakayan kong Trinidad and Tobago. A glorious good evening to each and everyone. My name is Yana Marie Gutierrez, 19 years old, and I'm proud to represent the land of Calypso, Trinidad and Tobago.
Practice makes perfect, but nobody's perfect, so why would I practice? But are in height finally. Tops, bottoms, and verses, a pleasant evening to each and everyone. Standing here in front of you is a 24-year-old star. My name is Tina Sweet, and I'm proud to represent from the country of adequate knowledge, proper attitude and skills, large and huge chest, USA. Again, complete. United States of America.
Hello, fine heart, and hello, world. My name is Miss Beneverocha, ang babaeng walang pahinga. 16 years old from Venezuela.